Okay guys, today was the first day of March and it is still my off day. Actually my off day is from 26 until on the 5th of March. So today we received our order from Shopee, which is the 4 sets of chair. So that chair cost us 31 ringgit for each chair. So beside what we are ordering from the Shopee guys, we also ordered a dining light. We ordered actually online. The one is from China. So that single dining light cost us 17 ringgit, and it takes a week. So it comes together with the chair and that lights lah. So I'm going to show you now. I am doing actually now to assemble all the chairs. As what you can see on my left guys, you can see the table over there actually, which is I do that table, I mean few months back. I made it myself, so I buy just uh one half marine plywood and 1 by 2 by 8 wood. So I do it myself. Now I'm going to cover it with a sticker, and you can actually see it afterwards. So I'll show it on my blog on the last picture. So guys, as what you can see guys, my daughter also is helping me. She tried to assist me guys. Actually she's also doing, she wanted to do also her own blog. I don't know. I mean, one day I buy her a phone so that she can make her own blog lah, because she likes to cook also. She actually have those Actually guys, the price of this chair in IKEA guys is 100 over guys. So once my wife saw it online, she directly placed an order. So it's actually very cheap. So from the IKEA, normal price 115 ringgit for each chair, and we made it ordered online on Shopee for 31 ringgit only. So now I'm going to assemble it. So guys, this is the last one. I've done 3 of those chairs already. I've done 3 of these chairs. So I've tried to finish this in 8 minutes because the first one actually I finished in 15 minutes. The second one 10 minutes, the third one 10 minutes. I try to do 8 minutes for the third one, okay? So guys, this is the last chair guys that I'm going to assemble. So after these 4 chairs, I'm going to stick a wallpaper. I'm using a wallpaper sticker actually to cover those my homemade table. So actually what you can see is wood and plywood. If you remove the cover, you can see the plywood on top. So without a paint, so instead of buying a paint, so we just bought so instead of buying a paint guys for the table, so I just bought a 3 roll of wallpaper. So I'm going to wrap it with wallpaper. So on the last pictures of the blog, then you can show the finish my finished homemade table, the dining light, and the finished 4 assembled chairs.